Hi, this is Rob with Next Gen Rider. I'm going to do a quick little video today on the AlienRider M2 Pro. More about how I'm going to use it tomorrow on a ride. I'm going to take the bike down to Jabanga Rice Terraces, which is an area, it's south of me about 2 hours. It's kind of close to Lobo. A really good riding spot, a lot of twisty roads, some water crossings, some rough road. And you get to stop off and see these rice terraces. So I think I'm going to take the drone with me and try to put it up and get you guys some good video and show you kind of a cool little ride here in the Philippines. But what I want to do is I wanted to have a map navigation tool that I can use that will get me to the route and then navigate me around the route and get me back home. So what I'm going to use is OsmAnd. There's a lot of ways you can probably do this. You might be able to do it with Gaia. The thing to remember is these apps that you're running, you need to kind of understand or evaluate them and see what your capability is going to be via CarPlay or Android Auto, because the control that you're going to have on the mirroring device, the M2 Pro, is going to be pretty limited, and it's going to be dependent on what the app developer has deployed in their app for CarPlay or Android Auto capability. OsmAnd on the mobile device is very, very capable, but you're really going to be limited pretty much to display on the M2 Pro device. So you can see I have the GPX file and the route is already loaded. You can see I'm going to be leaving out from Dos Marinas up here. And let me see if I can show you real quick how to get a, try that, okay. So now we're in Google Drive, and I did another ride to Kabayang Tunnel, so I GPX'd that one or tracked it. Let me just go ahead, we'll download it. I have it, and once you download it, you just select your app, whichever one you want to, we're going to use OSM. And boom, it pulls the route in, and there it is right there. So very easy to get GPX routes into OsmAnd. So, but what I want to do is I'm going to show you, we're going to go to where I'm going to ride tomorrow, and we're just going to pick the beginning of the GPX route, and then so it's track 001. We're going to select that, and then we're going to do navigation. And pretty much now it's already plotted the navigation. It's ready to start. And so I'm disconnected right now. I'm not mirroring. So I'll turn on Wi-Fi. And now we're mirroring. We'll go into the app. And you can see it. Everything's loaded here. It's ready to go. So we can just hit start. And now it's going to take us all the way with this app down to the route and around the route. So OsmAnd, the CarPlay feature, is not part of the free app. You actually have to pay for that. I think it's $14.99 US per year. They're running a promo on that right now. But I'm going to try it out. I'll let you know how it works. This map will also do tracking. So you can do rides and start a track and then end it and then export that GPX file, send it to your friends, whatever. So that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. And I kind of wanted to show you OsmAnd working on the M2 Pro. All right, any questions? Drop some comments. Thanks for watching.